Welcome to your Friday afternoon weather update from the Met Office. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to hit subscribe. The weather's a bit of a mixed picture through the rest of Friday. We're looking out to the Atlantic for the weekend weather. This big swirl of cloud is an area of low pressure, but before that arrives, we've got this line of cloud and this old weather front straddling the country, making for some fairly grey conditions across parts of Lincolnshire down across mid-Wales. The odd little bit of rain in that, particularly across parts of Wales over the hills, but many places across England and Wales dry. Some sunshine for northern England. Plenty of warm and sunny weather across the south. Quite a humid feel here too. Further north, got some showers breaking out this afternoon. Potential for some quite heavy showers too, perhaps through the central belt. More likely a little further north though through Perth and Kinross, Angus and southern parts of the Grampians. Some heavy, perhaps even thundery showers breaking out here. The odd shower for Northern Ireland, but some good spells of sunshine. Generally fine in the west coast of Scotland, where it is at least a little fresher. Elsewhere, temperatures, well, above average actually, and feeling quite humid, particularly across these eastern parts of England, where with a bit of sunshine we could sneak up to 26 degrees Celsius. Now, as we go through this evening, we see those heavy showers just drifting a little further north across Aberdeenshire before tending to fade away. So many places will have a dry evening, staying dry through the night. Likely to turn a bit murky down to the southwest. Mist and low cloud coming around the coasts of southwest England and South Wales. A little bit of drizzly rain returning to maybe western Scotland and West Wales too. But for many, it'll stay dry through the night, and we've got that warm and humid air in place. So temperatures are going to hold up. We'll see many places through the weekend start in the teens. So it will be a chilly start to Saturday, a bit mixed again through Saturday, with some places very warm and sunny, especially eastern England. Other areas seeing outbreaks of rain, some showery rain moving into Wales, southern Scotland, and then this line of rain will bring a spell of an hour or two of potentially heavy rain across Northern Ireland around the middle part of the day, and then turning up into western Scotland where the winds will start to strengthen. Some bright colours in there, so that rain could be on the heavy side. And ahead of that, again, eastern Scotland could be favoured for some heavy thundery showers, maybe one or two of those across northeast England also. But again, a good chunk of England and Wales, particularly the southern half, likely to have a dry and a fine day, and another really quite warm and humid day. Hazy sunshine in eastern England, seeing those temperatures easily get to 26. We could easily get to 27 in one or two places too. Cooler further west, where we've got this brisk breeze, and obviously with the wet weather and that windy weather in northwest Scotland, which will continue to track in across Scotland during Saturday evening. So still some heavy pulses around. That zone of rain will move through the central belt as well on Saturday evening, so something to take note of if you are heading out here. It does turn a little drier behind it, and it crucially will be turning cooler and fresher behind this line of rain, because it's a cold front, and so the fresher air will spread its way across most places as we go through the course of Sunday. So that warm, humid day on Saturday will be replaced across these eastern areas by something a little cooler. There will be another zone of showery rain working through on another weather front across Scotland, perhaps some showers for northern England and Wales. Showers coming and going through the day for western Scotland and Northern Ireland. But again, much of southern England, East Anglia and the southeast will be dry and fine with some pleasant spells of sunshine. A bit more of a breeze and certainly a fresher feel. Temperatures quite a few degrees down across these central and eastern parts on Sunday compared to Saturday. So a more comfortable feel. We will have lost that humidity as well. So it will be turning a little cooler, fresher through the course of the weekend. Some fine weather, but also some wet weather to contend with too. Keep up to date with the forecast through this weekend by following us on social media. And as I said at the start, if you don't already, you should subscribe to our YouTube channel.